I have a riddle. Noah. Jesus said to Noah, Noah, there is a big earthquake. Oh, no pala.
Pagbaha.
Flood, I mean. I'm sorry. I'm so shit. There's a flood. There would be a flood happening to the world. But you is so kind. You is so kind. I will give you a chance to live. In one condition. You will make a big, it's a super big boat.
Ark, bako boat.
Ark pa.
Ano, Noah's boat.
In short, synonyms. Synonym of boat is ark. There is many people there out there that cannot understand ark. So I make it easier. Boat. Well, okay. Back to the question. The boat. Then, when you make a boat, make sure that the animals have pairs. If the animal is male, the other one is female, so they can join together. And meet halfway. And make a baby. Then, okay, he made a boat, big boat. They say ark, but I made it easier for you to understand. Then the animals go inside. They are pairs, in short, husband and wife. And they will make their child. So if the rain is enough, or at the end of the rain, they can live happily together.
Ayo. Kung ako man ang masubag ka.
Then, what animal does Noah did not go enter the boat?
Invited.
Okay, if you get that, you will win. Okay, get 31. Ano ba yung cellphone mo?
3110C.
3110C. That cell phone we are using right now with CD-R King memory card.
Full of virus.
Pixel, and one feature. 1.0. No. 1.01. And my laptop with no webcam. But it's Motolite functioning.
Widescreen.
Widescreen. If you can answer us, text to 2366 and we will email you. Thank you.